Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like the video. Alright, let's learn how to make the big soft puffy flowers I sewed on my jacket in the previous video. It's super easy to make and you can have a cute puffy flower in no time. First, we need to cut some of the loops with scissors to make a strand of puffy yarn. Then we need something to wrap the yarn around. I'm using this ganache bottle for that. The bigger you want the flower to be, the larger the object you should use. And the puffier you want it, the more times you need to wrap the yarn around. Next, we need a plastic needle and a strong white thread. As you can see, we need to tie both ends together. It's that easy. Just keep making the petals the same way. Thread the string through all the petals. Now pull the thread tight and tie a secure knot. We need 5 petals in total. Now it's time for the center of the flower. You can use a pearl, but I want to use puffy yarn. As you can see, I'm filling the center of the flower by tying knots. If you love Alize Puffy, make sure to subscribe to me so you can see lots of easy and useful tutorials. Please check out my channel. I'll be waiting for you. And now we have a beautiful, soft, puffy flower. To attach the flower to the jacket, we need a plastic needle and a strong thread or yarn. Insert the needle from underneath the jacket and stitch each petal onto the fabric so it stays secure and doesn't move.